Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY mini shoe treat box. This makes a great treat holder, party favor, or small gift holder. You can pretty much put anything that you like in here as long as it fits. You can also choose what to put on the sticker. So let's get started. Open your Design Space app, click Upload, Upload Image, click Browse, and then here I have my shoebox file saved on my desktop, so I'm going to click that. Now we can see different folders here, and each folder has different formats of our file. We just need to open the SVG folder and click this SVG file. Then here we have one option, Cut Image, and then click Upload. Then click this image that we've just uploaded. Click Add to Canvas. I'm just going to change the color so we can see it better. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll notice that this is something that I like to do. I use a template in order for me to maximize the size of cardstock. So I'm going to click Shapes, then the square one. And since I'm going to use a 12 by 12 cardstock, I'm going to use an 11.5 by 11.5 template. I'm going to change the color to light gray. And then right click and then send to back. Now I'm happy with the size. I'm going to delete the square because I don't need that anymore. Click Ungroup. Now these solid lines here, we're going to change these to score lines. So we're going to click this first and then go to Operation, click Score. Repeat this step until all the solid lines are changed to score lines. Select all and then click Attach, and then click Make It. And I'm going to leave the material size at 12 by 12 inches and then continue. And then select the material, which is medium cardstock. I always adjust the pressure to more when I cut cardstock. Make sure you load your scoring stylus in clamp A, then press the flash and go button on your machine. Now we can see our scored lines, and these will help us fold this piece easily. So we can pre-fold these scored lines. And I'm just going to be using a hot glue for this project. So go back to your Design Space app, click Upload, Upload Image, click Browse. Here I'm going to click the SVG file, then click Upload. Click the image that we've just uploaded, then add to canvas. And as we can see here, we have 4 templates of our sticker. Then here you can put pretty much anything that you want to put on it. In my case, I'm just going to put DIY by Cess. I want to change the color to white. And I'm resizing it so it can fit on the top part of the label. And I'm just going to click duplicate 4 times rather than typing it all over again. Now select all and then click Flatten. Then I'll change the width size to 2 inches. And then click Make It. Click Continue. Then click Send to Printer. Then click Print. Now it's done printing. Although I'm using a sticker paper, I'm going to set my material to washi sheet because I notice when I use this with my Avery sticker paper, it doesn't cut through it. Then I'll adjust the pressure to less. Press the flashing go button on your machine. Now for the logos, I downloaded mine from Google and I have it uploaded on my Design Space. So I'm going to click that and add to canvas. I'm going to resize it to 2.5 inches. and then click Make It, and then Continue. Then Send to Printer, then click Print. And again, I'll click Washi Sheet, and then Less Pressure. And then press the Flash and Go button on your machine. And there we have it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!